Welcome to another tutorial where we do a Final Cut Pro trick in under 2 minutes. Today we're going to learn how to sync our audio in Final Cut Pro. This is super easy, it's only a few clicks, so let's get into it. First, in Final Cut, you want to go to the upper left hand and toggle to list mode so you can select the 2 clips that you want to synchronize. So we'll select the 2 clips we want to synchronize, our audio and our video, right click, and then press Synchronize Clips, and a box is going to pop up and you can just rename the clip to whatever you want. I named it 1, and keep these boxes checked because it's going to use the audio for synchronizing the clips. Then it's going to add this clip to your projects. It's called 1, just like we named it. You can drag it to your timeline and delete the other original clips because we have this 1. Now just double click into it and make sure that the waveforms are matching, and it looks like they are, but you can also manually adjust them if you need to. You can just drag it back and forth, and then just always remember to turn down the volume on your A-roll to isolate your professional mic. I hope that was helpful. If it was, give this video a thumbs up. I have tons of tutorials on Final Cut Pro tricks in under 2 minutes, so I'll list that playlist below. Also, you should subscribe because I make videos every 2 weeks. So I will see you guys back here in 2 weeks.